What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on XYO. As you can see, 61% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.008635. Keeps pumping up in value, keeps going up. Is it time to invest? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at its prediction for over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How far can this crypto go by the end of the year? Can it go above the 20 cents target? I know it's got a long way to go to hit 20 cents, but can it hit that target? And as you can see, over the last couple of days, it's been consistently hitting green days, nearly for about 4 or 5 days now. So how far is this going to go on for? Or is it likely to go for a crash soon? And looking at essentially both buyers and sellers' point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up once again over 1.5% in the last 24 hours. So essentially, since the start of 2023, for the last 5 days, the crypto market has been on the green side so far. Hopefully we can maintain that for the next couple of months, and hopefully for the whole of 2023. And XYO is still the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. And again, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 13% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 60%. Over the week, 154% in a space of a week, which is absolutely crazy, guys. And as you can see, yesterday, on January the 4th, it did hit the 1 cent target and straight away dropped back down in value. And right now, trading nearly at the 1 cent target. There's no doubt that it should be able to hit the 1 cent target over the next, let's say, 24 hours. So over the month, it is up 98%, which is again very good. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 230% in the last 24 hours, making it $47.5 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded on XYO. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing XYO at 0.004334. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 0.008629, nearly double its average value that is predicting, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting XYO to be heading towards the 1 cent target and potentially hitting that target towards the end of the day today. But in between that time, do expect red candles, do expect dips, just like how it's been over the last couple of days. After every little pump, there is a dip, and that is an ongoing cycle, and that is what's likely to carry on as well. As you can see, a red candlestick has already appeared. I'm expecting it to drop down in value a little bit before it goes back up, heading towards the 1 cent target. It is a repeated cycle, so do expect pumps and drops in between. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? Still looking bullish, guys. We've got the blue line going in a positive direction, and so is the orange line. Again, they're not looking as steep as the previous chart, but the whole point is that they are both heading towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, we should again expect an overall increase in value on XYO. heading about way over the 1 cent target by mid next week. But again guys, this does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, and that is part of the process. It doesn't mean that it's going to start crashing. Red days are part of the process, and green days as well. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of weeks, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the positive side. So heading towards the 0.015 cents target is where I'm expecting XYO to be heading towards over the next week and a half. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, which can only mean one thing: it is not realistic. And the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 4 or 5 days. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case because it's only basing it off the last 4 or 5 days, which again is not realistic. So over the next couple of weeks, so let's say by mid to late February and early March, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value on XYO, I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. In fact, I am expecting it to take a little dip, go back down in value to about the 0.006 cents target before it goes back up above the 1 cent target, and potentially hitting 2 cents by late February and early March. We should be heading towards the 2 cents target. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs with any major bull runs, price pumps, crashes. This thing will have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of XYO, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as usual, we are still trading in the red zone, but we are getting closer and closer to the green zone, guys. So that is a good news. That's what we're looking forward to, for it to hit the green zone as soon as possible. But again, it's still got a good while to get there. Hopefully about in the next 2 to 3 months we should be able to head into the green zone, but at the moment it's likely we are going to be staying in the red zone. And as long as we slowly and steadily start to move upwards heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But it is going to take its time, and we want it to take its time only because we don't want it to jump up about 100-200% in a couple of hours or couple of days and then straight away drop back down in value. That's not sustainable. What we essentially want is the crypto to go up in value at a slow and steady pace to make it sustainable. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on XYO so far, guys. What I want you guys to do is, what are your expectations and your predictions on XYO for the rest of the year? By the end of the year, what is the highest figure this crypto can hit? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Hopefully we should be able to hit about 15 to 20 cents by the end of the year, because we've still got a good 12 months left. And again, we have to take into consideration the drops, the gains and so on in the crypto market. But yeah, so far these are my takes. If you guys want regular updates on XYO, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated at least about 3, 4, 5 times a week on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.